peaceful village by the hills so green stood a tall bell tower, old and seen. At the heart of it all lived a boy named Dev, quiet and kind, yet invalid brave. He loved the bell that no longer rang. Its silence echoed like unfinishing song. The village kids teased that bell is dead, but they believe in what it once said. Courage, he whispered near its side, wishing its strength would one day guide. At school, Dev bravely spoke a word. His voice was soft, bravely hard. When he tried to answer or reset, others laughed, dimming his light. But he helped silently, fixed with broke, carried back and gave his clock. Thought his words we tucked away. His kindness spoke louder every day. They are too quiet, some could say, but inside strength grew day by day. One summery night a spark flew fire, lighting a fire near the old banyan tree. Smoke rose up and panic grew. Villagers ran, unsure what to do. Dev stood front, his heart a drum. But then he dashed to fetch water from bucket by bucket, small but fast. He did not wait for fear to pass. He ran again, no words, just flame, until help came and shouted his name. The fire died as the rain poured down, and quite the day became talk on the town. He did not speak, but he stood tall, said the elder near the temple wall. No one knew he had such might, a silent hero in the night. His clothes were kept wet, hands scraped red, but peace and pride filled his head. He looked at the bell, still, and felt a pulse and sudden thrill. They climbed the tower the never next day to see if the bell would find it away. Its rope was broken, rust had spread, but dreams of sound rang in his head. He scraped the metal, mended the threads. With every pull, hope quietly fed. The village watched, unsure and still. Could they review the bell's old while? He pulled again with trembling hand, wishing hard for it to stand. He pulled the rope with all his might, but no sound echoed into the light. A rush fell heavy in the air. Dev started up, lost in despair. He sighed and whispered, "That's okay. My strength still matters anyway." But then a faint low hum began. The bell vibrated beneath his hand. Not loud, not clear, but it was. A soft reply to the client, silent pause. After that day, Dev spoke a bite more. Not loud or grand, but with meaning at a core. He asked the questions, stood in a line. No needed to shout. He was doing fine. His classmates was something they missed. A friend with courage they did not dismiss. When the teacher gave a smile, watching Dave glow all the while. The bell handed fully rang just yet, but inside Dave the tone was set. The village prepared for its new fair. Colorful flags fluttered in air. They chose Dev to lead the start, for courage shone from a quiet heart. He stood bereaved the silent bell, with hands on rope, poor as well. The crowd waited for the sound to come, a sign of what strength in a quiet drum. He pulled the rope with beneath held deep, and the bell rang loud, a voice from sleep. The bell rang not just in the air, but in hearts of people standing there. Children clapped and elders bowed. They stood humble, not too proud. They no longer saw the silent boy, but a brave soul who brought them joy. He did not shout, he did not need to scream. He had become the village dream. His silence was never a lack. It was courage without looking back. From that day on, kids came to learn how to let their own bell turn. They thought that strength is quiet and deep, something we carry, not just to speak. He helped a shy girl find her peace, and never nervous boy run his race. He said, "You don't need to noise to lead. You only need to plant a seed." The bell rang once each week since then, a symbol of quiet courage in all children. Courage isn't always loud or grand. It's in a quiet voice that takes a stand. It's in a small step, kind word, a hand held bright, a glow that shines without the spotlight. You don't have to roar to be here. Even silence can carry a powerful word. They've taught us that big and still and kind is the loudest strength you will never find. Let your inner bell softly ring. You are the stronger than anyone.